Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Subaru STI reliable. Start by making a simple maintenance plan and follow it consistently to avoid breakdowns. Focus on oil service intervals, turbo and intercooler checks, brake condition, and suspension fasteners. Watch for head gasket symptoms and replace worn mounts early. Recording dates, mileage, and parts used help spot trends and prevent small issues from becoming costly failures. Warm up your STI gently and maintain proper fluid health to extend engine life and reliability. Choose recommended oil viscosity and change oil and filter on schedule to protect turbo bearings. Keep fuel and air filters clean to prevent lean conditions and fuel pump strain. Regular coolant flushes and hose inspections reduce overheating risk. Clean fluids and fresh filters are inexpensive steps that prevent expensive repairs and improve daily drivability. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more content. Quick recommendation: a great book to rethink money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with saving for reliable car upgrades. I found the ideas useful when budgeting for maintenance and parts, and it might help you plan upgrades without overspending. Check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Address known STI weak points proactively to avoid roadside failures and engine damage. Inspect head gasket integrity and coolant behavior, especially after hard driving or track use. Check turbo seals and all intercooler piping for oil or boost leaks, and replace brittle hoses before they blow. Replace worn engine and transmission mounts to reduce stress on drivetrain components. Frequent inspections and timely part swaps keep your STI dependable and enjoyable to drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.